Hello friends, very most welcome to all of you in this new channel. In this channel, we will provide complete information and complete matter about of your CSIR net physical science exams. This channel is also very helpful for those candidates which are preparing the many other competition exams in a region of physical science. In example, we can say that GATE Physics, CSIR net physical science and IIT JAM. Friends, today it is introductory lecture. We have written here the introduction of books and the best author for these papers on the basis of your competition exams. Either it is GATE Physics or it is CSIR net, and also for IIT JAM exams. Friends, some topics will be matched from your graduation level exams or post-graduate exams, post-graduation level exams also. Friends, some topics, some lectures will be helpful for graduation or post-graduation level exams also. Friends, we have written here the total 9 papers, and we have written these name of papers on the basis of only especially on the basis of your CSIR net physical science exams. Friends, we have written here the first books, your classical mechanics. The best author for these books on the basis of your competition exams in physical science, the Herbert Goldstein. The second books, Introduction of Electrodynamics by David J. Griffith. Introduction to Quantum Mechanics also by David J. Griffith, and Statistical Physics by R. K. Patharia, and Electronic Devices and Circuit Theory by Boyle, Stand and Niles Sky. Next, Atomic and Molecular Physics by author Raj Kumar, and Solid State Physics by N.W.S.O. Pillai. And the Mathematical Physics, the best author is for these books on the basis of your competition exams, H.K. Das. And last, the 9th paper, Particle Physics by C.L. Arora. We will continue in our lecture series on the basis of your CSIR net physical science exams. And friends, as you know, your CSIR net physical science have total 3 sections or 3 parts, A, B and C. In section A, total number of questions asked 20, which belongs from general aptitude. From here, the only 15 questions attempts. So it have total maximum marks 30, and for each wrong answer negative marking also will be applicable here. And in section A it is 0.5 negative marking for your each wrong answer. Section B and section C have MCQ from your subjective, from your subjects physics, and maximum questions from these papers, belongs in section B and section C. In section B, total number of questions asked 25, and attempts question in this section is 20, and maximum mark for this section is 70. For each wrong answer, the negative marking also will be applicable in this section by 0.875. And section C. Section C have total number of questions 30 and total number of questions attempts 20. It have maximum numbers 100 and for each wrong answer it have also the negative marking applicable here by 1.25 for each wrong answer. Total number of questions asked in this exam 75 and total number of questions attempts 55 and maximum marks 200. Friends, today we will stop here and in upcoming lectures we will continue on the basis of your syllabus CSIR NET Physical Science, and we will start firstly your paper Quantum Mechanics and we will continue in this paper on the basis of your physical science exams, and we will cover the all type of questions in every paper sequentially. So thank you very much.